Croeso I Wrecsam a chroeso I arddangosfa'n newydd yn Amgueddfa Wrecsam, Holt Cudd, hanes Safle Rhyfeinig. Welcome to Wrecsam, welcome to Wrecsam Museum and our new exhibition, Hidden Holt, the story of a Roman site. Back in 2019, Wrecsam Museum teamed up with the National Museum, members from Holt Local History Society and the local university, Wrecsam Glyndŵr University, to start curating an exhibition about this important historic site. Although the pandemic and the lockdowns tried to halt our preparations, we've been able to continue working on this exhibition and we're really happy to be able to open it for visitors to see. We knew there'd be many people out there who'd be interested in the history of Roman Britain and especially how the Romans had an impact on this part of Wales. This exhibition focuses on the site at Holt. It's so important because Roman Chester was built in the fields outside the village of Holt.
What we know about the Roman site at Holt comes from the excavations by Arthur Acton in the years immediately before the First World War. Unfortunately, he never published his finds, but eventually sold the finds to the National Museum of Wales. The excavations provide evidence of a tile production site, which also produced some pottery. The presence of stamps on some of the tiles indicate a connection with the 20th Legion based at Chester in the 1st to 3rd centuries AD. It thus seems reasonable to suggest that the site was constructed to produce building materials for the construction of the legionary fortress at Chester, the River Dee providing a convenient route to transport the goods between Holt and Chester.
The site is on the Welsh bank of the River Dee, a few hundred yards down from Holt Bridge, spread over sloping fields above the floodplain. Whilst nothing remains above ground, field walking that we've done over several seasons have yielded items of Roman tile and pottery fragments. Ever since the History Society in Holt was formed in 1992, we have been very keen to use modern archaeological techniques in order to find out more about this site and its surrounds. So in 2018, we commissioned a geophysical survey of the area. This was followed by a few of us from the committee of the Society going down to the National Museum in Wales in Cardiff to view the finds that had gone to Cardiff following the excavations and have been there since 1925. The History Society have been very keen to work with Wrecsam Museum in order to bring those finds back to North Wales, and they are now forming part and centre really of this wonderful exhibition. So do come and visit. We'd love to see you. Thank you.